The light, what is light? Light is electromagnetic wave. It helps us to see any object. For seeing any object, there are two types of phenomenon of light is occurred. First is reflection of light and second is refraction of light. Firstly, I shall discuss about the reflection of light. Now, now discuss about the reflection of light. When a light ray strike a shiny surface, then bounce back in same medium, this phenomenon of light is known as the reflection of light. So I try to make you understand with figure. This is normal. Normal incident ray, reflected ray, this point is known as the point of incidence. This is polished surface. And upper portion is shiny surface. When light rays strike a shiny surface, then bounce back in same medium, this phenomenon of light is known as the reflection of light. Light ray strike the surface. This ray is called the incident ray. After striking, these rays bounce back in another direction. That ray is known as the reflected ray, and normal is an imaginary line which is perpendicular to the surface. This is normal. Angle formed between normal and incident ray is called the angle of incidence. Here I is angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. And R is angle of reflection. Angle formed between the normal and incident ray is known as the angle of incidence, and angle formed between normal and reflected ray is known as the angle of reflection. Now we discuss about the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. There are two types of laws of reflection, that are first, angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is always equal to Angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. And second law, incident ray reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence at the point incidence lie in the same plane. This is reflection of light. It means once again I make you understand about incident ray that strike the surface, shiny surface. After striking, it bounce back in another direction. This direction will depend on the how to strike the surface. If you if you cast the light perpendicularly to the surface, then it will be bounce back on the same path. It means if you cast the light perpendicularly to the surface, then it will be bounce back on the same path. So angle of incidence and angle of reflection will be depend on the how to cast the light or how to light strike the surface. It means I will tell this is incidence, then this angle uh, is equal to this angle. Therefore, if the light rays strike like this, then it will be bounced back like this. So if you cast the light perpendicular to the surface, then bounce back will be on the same path, on the same path. So so the angle of reflection will be depend on the angle of incidence. This law of reflection applied at the all surfaces. Even the surface will be regular or irregular surface. So in the next lecture, we shall discuss about the reflection of light in a spherical mirror and how to form the image. So make a note. So see you in the next lecture.